Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Piyanshu Placement Solution. So friends, in this video we will discuss essential mostly asked coding question. Okay, so with solution in C++ and Python. Okay, so let's start guys without wasting time. And one very important thing for you guys, है ना? One very important information for you guys. If you have not applied in Capgemini guys, please go and apply, because guys 15 December is the last date for apply in Capgemini. Okay, and if you want to apply in Accenture and Tech Mahindra, you can, na, because these two hiring is for 2020 or 2021 batch students only. Okay, and go and apply. And one very important thing guys, if you don't know programming and if you want to learn programming, then guys you can follow our free complete programming preparation course on our same YouTube channel guys. Okay, so I have already started this course, so you can go and check out this always. Okay guys, so let's continue guys. So yes, so this one is the question guys. So question is easy. Okay, so let's see. So the function take, the question is basically guys function based. Okay, function दिया रहेगा and you need to write your logic or code only. Okay, no need to write whole code, no need to take a input and all, just write simply direct logic. Clear hai? So let's see guys one by one. So here the function take an integer n, and you need to return the difference of n with its minimum prime factor. So what is guys minimum, what is prime factor? So let's discuss first thing this. So how to find basically a prime factor? By this method, right? 350. So first how to check this 350 is divided by which number? First we take with 2, right? First we check with 2, right? Then after that we just divide this 350 with 2, so we got 175, right? Then again we just again check with 2, no, 3 se ja raha hai kya? No. Then 5, right? So we just divide with this with 5, then we got uh, 5 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 25. Clear? Then again we check with 6, no. Then again we check with 5, right? So again we check with 5, then we got 5 7 ja 35. Clear? Then again we check with 5, no. 6, no. 7, yes. 7 1 ja 7. So guys, so these है ना, these things, these method we again apply till we not got one, we not get one, right? एक जब तक नहीं मिल गया, जब तक उसको करते रहे, ठीक है? तो that's why guys we need to put one condition, है ना? कंडीशन लगाने वाले हम यहाँ पे. लेकिन इसको आपको समझ में आ गया हाउ टू फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टर. एंड दिस क्वेश्चन गाइस वी ओनली नीड अ मिनिमम प्राइम फैक्टर, वी ओनली नीड अ single, we only need a single factor, right? Factor, so no need to execute this whole loop, but yes, I will share how to do this. So only this thing, only first number we need, right? So here I just put one condition. Let's discuss the logic. आपको कोड समझ में आ गया होगा. 350 is there, minimum is 2, तो 350 minus 2 we got 348. Clear? I hope guys these things are clear. Okay. Let's see next is so let's discuss the logic first guys, then we will move to code. Okay, so basically guys logic I have already discussed. See here, right? This one is a logic only. Okay, so I just put one condition here, while n does not equal to this one, right? One अगर नहीं है तब चलाते हैं, one आ गया तो condition is false. Okay, so guys let's discuss in the while loop. So in a while loop guys, we just check one condition है ना. Here we again we are just checking ना कि 2 से जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है, 3 से 4 से 5 से. That's why I just put one condition. If n% with I equal to 0, if n% with I equal to 0 guys, then we just return, because guys this is a function based program. Okay, so return what things I need, return I. Okay, else I plus plus, or I plus equal to 1, or I plus equal to 1, both are same. Clear? And loop body is closed. So guys, clear? I hope guys this question is clear to you. Okay, and if you have any doubt you just comment, no problem. Okay, so let's see this code in the IDE guys. First we discuss this code in the Python, then we will move to C++. Okay guys, so let's see. So here guys, this one is my Python ideally, offline. Okay, online नहीं है ये. So here I just take n equal to 350. Clear? Then I just I need to take I equal to 2, starting the loop from 2. Then while n does not equal to 1, and put condition if n% with to I equal to 0, then we just return, right? In place of return I just print I, clear. Then after that I just break this loop else I plus equal to 1, clear. Let's run this code and check the output. So guys we got 2. Let's see here, we got guys 2, clear है, हमको यहाँ पे 2 मिल चुका है. ओके लेट्स एग्जीक्यूट दिस विद अदर एग्जांपल के लिए इसको चेक करते हैं. if I give 351, let's see the output 3. Why 3? Because guys 3 is the first prime factor of 351, clear. If I give 169, then 13 is the first prime factor, right? Except 1, okay? So 13. But guys, question is we need to return what things we need to return, the difference of number with minimum prime factor, clear. ये हमको रिटर्न करना है, तो कैसे रिटर्न करेंगे गाइस? I just take an temp n, okay, and in place of print I just write temp minus I. Why I need to take temp? Because guys here we just change in n, that's why guys we just store this n value to temp and we just return or print. Let's see this code. We got 156, clear. 350 is there, then we got 348, clear है guys. This code is clear to you. I hope guys this code is clear to everyone. Let's see how to write this code in your main exam. So in a main exam guys you have a one function that is find prime, for example, and n is there, and you need to put all this logic, all this code here. ठीक है, बस ये खत्म. बस गाइस ये क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया आपका कंप्लीट. And in place of print you need to write return, clear. Return and no need to write break. This only code, and guys in your main exam just write this only code, okay? Clear. Okay, let's see this code in C++ guys. How to make this code in C++? So in C++ also guys you have one you have one function. So first I need to take a header files, right? Because I am not in the exam IOSTREM, क्योंकि मुझे पूरा कोड लिखना पड़ेगा guys, right? So using namespace std, so let's make one function int function name is, let's suppose find find min prime factor. This one is your main function, exam function name, that is n, okay. And here we just write our logic, okay. And like this you have a code, write your code here, ठीक है. ऐसा आता है guys आपके एग्जाम में, ठीक है. And you need to write code here only, okay. So how to write here? Same thing guys, I just copy this all the code and from python से कॉपी करके मैं आपको बता देता हूँ इसको, है ना. So yes, so I am here, yes, okay. So let's see. In place of this na guys you need to write this code. और इसमें change क्या करना है? Let me change this all the things that we need ना. So here int temp is there, okay, and comma I equal to 2, clear. Remove this line. And here guys in while we need to write a one parenthesis, or yes, then while loop is there guys, okay. And this syntax is all in the while loop. ये पूरा कहाँ आएगा? while loop में आएगा. And here I need to write this, okay. And return temp is done, or we need to write the semicolon in every line, right? And no need to take this else, semicolon, clear है guys. So I hope guys this code is clear to you. इसको मैं एंटर कर देता हूँ, यस. नाउ माय कोड इज सेट गाइस. ये कोड पूरा सेट हो चुका अपना. एक बार इसको रन करके देखते हैं, और इसको फंक्शन में कॉल करना पड़ेगा गाइस हमको, ठीक है. सो आई नीड टू मेक अ वन मेन फंक्शन, क्लियर. सो इंट मैन and here, yes, so I just call this function cout. Function name is this, and I just pass 350 first, then we will check this for other. Let's run this code and we got one. Yes, so we got guys 348, clear. I hope guys this question is clear to you, okay. Done. Okay. Okay, if you want you can check with other values. 160 something ले लेता हूँ मैं, थोड़ा सा लेंथी वाले ले लेता हूँ. Okay, and run it and we got our answer 3162. Clear. यहाँ पे error इसलिए आ रहा है guys, I need to write here 0. Okay, because return 0. अगर condition, अगर ये loop खत्म हो गया तब कुछ नहीं होता, हमने रिटर्न 0 करवा दिया. Clear. Done. Okay. So guys, in your main exam you need to write this only. इतना सा बस लिखना आपको अपने मेन एग्जाम में अगर ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो. क्लियर है गाइस. So guys, just subscribe our YouTube channel for these types of content, because guys we daily upload the placement material with our placement questions with solutions on our YouTube channel guys. And one thing also on our YouTube channel guys, ki we start a complete programming preparation course guys. So I want support from your side. So guys, just support this series. Okay, which series? Let me share. This one series guys. Which one? Yes, this one. Okay, full playlist. Yes guys, this. So already guys 4 or 5 lectures uploaded. Okay, so guys just follow this series if you really want to learn coding from scratch to campus level or your any company placement level. ठीक है, just follow these lectures guys. Okay, these lectures are free of cost, है ना. Okay. So it's all about today's video guys. Let's meet on the next video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, if you have any doubt or not able to get a point, any point, just message me, just comment, है ना, just comment guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys. Let's meet on the next video. And guys, one more thing, one very important thing for you. If you have a Capgemini exam guys, if you have Capgemini exam, then guys a complete Capgemini course is already on our YouTube channel guys, so you can go and follow that. Okay, you just go and follow that like this. Yes, 58 videos are there. So guys, this whole playlist is like a crash course. Okay, so go and watch all these videos guys, है ना. And essential playlist also there in our YouTube channel guys, so you can go and check all the 2 playlists. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys. Let's meet on the next video, and just subscribe us and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys. Okay, let's meet on next.